Luban have been making some great block planes for quite a few years for different manufacturers, different names on them. One issue that we've spotted and we've seen with customers using them in the past is that the lever cap and the lever cap screw, which is underneath it, the lever cap screw is a smaller diameter. This can make it quite difficult to get in there to loosen this off and make your adjustments. So what we've got as part of our Verum Luban is a larger diameter wheel, which makes it much easier to adjust. This is something which I developed in-house, and we've got the manufacturers to make this for us. If you also have an older style Luban plane, then you will find that our larger wheel, which we sell separately, can retrofit and sort out those issues for you on the existing planes that you've got. The new larger diameter wheel will actually fit on the low angle block, the low angle rebating block, and the standard angle block plane as well. All you've got to do is take off the cap, which is a bit fiddly to get in there, remove the existing screw, which we'll see is a smaller diameter, and we'll put the larger diameter screw on there. You'll see that the Verum version, this diameter wheel, is the same size as the brass cap, so it's easy to get your fingers in there to adjust. With a smaller one, I can't get to actually touch that. I've got to get my fingers almost around it and inside, and that's very, very difficult when it's within the plane. Here's the 4 stages of design that we came up with. From the original smaller diameter, I made a larger diameter one in the workshop here, which I just turned up on the lathe. First production came out, larger diameter, but actually that didn't quite fit the plane. The final version, larger diameter, small chamfer on the bottom so it clears everything, works beautifully. So if you're looking to upgrade your existing Luban plane or buy one of our Verums, you can have it now with a full size wheel. Look at us on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or obviously on our YouTube channel.